Hi friends, I hope you're staying safe and healthy. Today I have a great traditional Italian salad. It's called Orange and Fennel, and it is going to help boost your immune system and keep you healthy because of the vitamin C that is in it. Not to mention the freshness and how flavorful it is. It's hard to believe that just a few ingredients is going to make this salad so incredible. Pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare. So to start with our salad, we need some oranges. So I'm using about 6 oranges. This is going to be for about 4 people, but you can use as much or as little as you want. So to cut my orange, we need to take the skin off, and the best way I find is just to take the top off, and then the bottom part, and then I just set it down, and then now I'm just going to work around the skin. And don't worry if you have some of the pith, we can take it off later. Okay, now when I turn it over, I can see I've missed some of the pith, and at this point I can just go right through the ones that I missed and take those off. Then I'm going to split my orange in half and pull out that middle section. And now I'm just going to cut it in bite-sized pieces. And then I'm just going to add it to a bowl for right now. And I'll just keep cutting all my oranges until they're all cut. Next is fennel, and if you're not familiar with fennel, this is what it looks like. It's got some fronds, and it's got a bulb on the bottom, and this is from the celery family. It has a licorice taste when it's raw, but when you cook it, you really don't taste it. But it adds a really nice flavor to this salad. So for this particular recipe, I'm only gonna need about half. So I'm just gonna cut the bulb. And now using a mandolin, I want to have very thin slices. So we will slice. So now we're just going to add our thinly sliced fennel into our salad. And another thing we can do is we can take some of these fronds and just lightly chop them. And this will just add a nice garnish. The other thing I like to add when I have is my mint, because I have a ton of it growing in my herb garden. So we'll just thinly slice that as well. And that'll add a nice freshness and brightness to the salad. Now we're going to add our seasoning, a little bit of salt. And I know it might sound weird to add salt to orange, but it actually brings out their flavor. We're going to add some olive oil, good quality extra virgin olive oil. And you just want to add enough to coat the salad, about a couple tablespoons. And now we're going to toss. So now once we've tasted it for salt, we can go ahead and add it to our serving platter. And the longer this sits, that salt will actually help extract a lot of the juices from the oranges, so it'll be really nice and juicy. Now, there's a couple ways that I like to finish this salad off. I like to actually drizzle a very thick syrup like balsamic vinegar. So I will just kind of squirt it along just like that. I also like to add finishing salt to my dish when I have a lot of the types of salads. And finishing salt, if you're not familiar with it, is very large crystals of salt, and it just looks really pretty on dishes as you finish. So I just usually give a little bit of finishing salt on that, and then I will garnish with some mint leaves, as well as some more of the fronds that we had. I will just tear a few off and just kind of garnish the dish like that. And so this is a beautiful, refreshing salad that will go great with this chicken dish over here, and I will check you out over there. Ciao, ci vediamo dopo.